Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marlene Smith, Sales Account Executive of Mandarin. Actually, we have 5 properties in Mandarin Premier. Mandarin Bay is a 5-star hotel, and we also have 4 properties located in Beachfront Station 2 and 3, and we also have a budgeted hotel located inside the mall. And Mandarin Bay, we have 365 rooms. Only 5-star beachfront hotel in Station 2, Boracay. Longest pool in the island, with convention center that can accommodate 300 to 500 bucks. With all dining that offers unlimited seafood, paluto, and unlimited prime rib steak. For 4-star hotel, we have Mandarin Nest and Mandarin Island. Beachfront Station 2. Mandarin Island is 17 years in operation. But last 2019, we renovated it. We have 52 rooms. And for Mandarin Nest, we have 77 rooms. We also have a conference room in Mandarin Nest that can accommodate 30 bucks. We also have Sky Bar and Sunset Dance if napapanood niyo po sa TikTok yung nagtitrending na Mandarin Nest. Ayun. And we also have Mandarin White Sands Station 2, a 3-star hotel. As of now po, nire-renovate siya pero meron pa rin naman kaming rooms na ino-offer. 3-star siya na gagawin ng 4-star. Kaya siya naka-renovate ngayon. We also have 8 by the beach restaurant, 2 pools, regular and kiddie pool. And for budgeted hotel, Island Inn Boracay, the only budgeted hotel na may keycard rooms. Keycard for budgeted, since yung sa iba po yung mga susi-susi lang, ganyan. Sa Island Inn Boracay, keycard na po for security na rin, na mas secured ang rooms nila. Then, ayun lang po.
Thank you, Alice from Mastisan. So, sa company kasi, this is the Mastisan. So, for most of you who are travelers, mas kilala niyo po yung brands na hawak namin, which is PackSafe, U-Elements, Outbound, and also Travel Time. So, meron kami, hindi lang po kwarto ang ino-offer sa event na ito, but kami po, ang i-offer po namin ay i-equip po namin kayo during your journey. So, we have luggages, promotions. Ito po yung gustong marinig ng mga tao. Ano ba yung promotions na ibibigay namin? We have a set na up to 50 to 60% off na po yung mga maleta namin. And of course, next na itatanong sa akin, kung matibay ba? Yes, kasi kami po mismo gumagamit sa office namin to make sure that all the items that we release is matibay. So, ayun. I think, I hope for PackSafe naman, we have a special discount for this event, up to 40% off yung pamimigay po namin for this event to equip everyone, and ito po ay para sa mga customers na pupunta po sa event na ito. Sana po makita po namin kayo doon. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sheila. Moving on to our next panelist, let's get to know more about La Jolla Luxury Beach Resort, Zambales.
Hi, we're not from Zambales. La Jolla Hotel and Beach Resort is located in Bagak, Bataan.
Bataan, yes.
We are a 60-hectare property, and we have 108 room accommodations from 35 square meters to 85 square meters that can accommodate 2 persons to 8 persons maximum. And our ongoing promotions now is we give 10% discounts on our pre-holiday season sale, meaning you can get 10% off when you book from September 15 to October 15. Our Halloween package, our Christmas Eve package, and New Year's Eve package. And for the coming Travel World Expo, we are giving 5,000 per room per night. during weekdays and overnight room accommodations on weekends for 6,000. So if you're interested, you may get our calling cards and our flyers here. So you can also see our facilities and amenities because we are a hotel and beach resort. So definitely, we do have a beach and 3 swimming pools. We have function rooms for weddings and for conferences or seminars. And we are building a 1,000 person capacity of a convention center, soon to be available by next year's summer. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jenny. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Abby from the Manila Hotel. This is actually our first time to join World Travel Expo, and we're very excited to be a part of it. So as seen on the video, we have more than 500 well-appointed guest rooms. We have 22 function rooms, including the most popular ones, the Fiesta Pavilion, the Centennial Hall, and the Manila Ballroom. And then we also offer prestige cards where you can get discounts in our restaurants like the Buffet, Cafe Ilang Ilang, Champagne Room, Red Jade, and Tap Room. And then, for more than 100 years, we have welcomed celebrities and dignitaries, both local and international. And we hope to see all of you soon at the Manila Hotel so you can experience the history, heritage, and the true Filipino hospitality that we are known for. Thank you, Ms. Jenny.
Thank you.
We're from Manila Prince Hotel. We are located in 1000 San Marcelino Street, Armida, just a short walk from LRT Line 1, Union Avenue Station, making us easily accessible via public transportation. As the sister company of the Manila Hotel, guests can expect the same high standard of service, well-appointed amenities, and excellent facilities that both brands are known for. Our dedicated team at Manila Prince Hotel is committed to providing you with a truly comfortable and memorable stay. We would be delighted to welcome you soon, and if you're traveling with furry companions, you'll be happy to know that we're a pet-friendly hotel. Thank you, and we look forward to having you with us at Manila Prince Hotel.
Thank you, Sir Mom. Sir Rico?
Hello, magandang umaga. So, magandang tanghali sa everyone here in the conference. So, my name is Rico Luque, and I am honored to represent GDS Travel Agency as new player in the travel industry. It's truly encouraging to see that event, that World Travel Expo open doors for emerging agencies like ours to be part of such dynamic opportunity. So, GDS Travel Agency, we specialize in business travel solution with a strong focus on China and Philippines travel, from factory visits, sourcing trips to MICE, events, and fully customized travel experience. At the time, we also take pride in bringing Chinese clients to the Philippines for both tourism and business opportunity. We what set us apart is our commitment to transparency and providing detailed information, ensuring our clients will always confident, secure, and well prepared through their journey. Our mission is simple: to bridge opportunity between Philippines, China, and beyond, transforming travel into growth and meaningful connection. We are excited to bring a strong connection and partnership here in World Travel Expo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Asian Travel Association. I am Princess Ashley Macalad, the Director for External Affairs. So, it is an honor to usher again once more from the event of World Travel Expo. So thank you, Miss Miles and Miss Jenny and the WTE team for having us once more. So for those who don't know, this is our 4th year of assisting the exhibitors and guests, but not only that, but also partnering with WTE. So
Development Manager, Mr. Jet Ernest Uytiepo, with some good news.
Thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Jet Ernest Uytiepo from Royal Caribbean Philippines. So we're happy and excited to be part of this World Travel Expo. Congratulations in advance. So it's our first time as well to be joining this exciting event. And as our brand tells you, it's an adventure. It's for family, friends, and for everyone who wants to try a new way of vacation. So it's Royal Caribbean Cruises. So as your event says, it's world. So we cover all over the world. So from your Caribbean to the Mediterranean, imagine your Santorini, and even to Alaska, your glaciers and your wildlife there. And of course to Asia. We have in Shanghai, going to Japan, and our flagship in Asia is from Singapore, going to Penang and Phuket. So I can't wait that each one of you, I'm sure it's one of your bucket list, so to experience world-class dining, show-stopping entertainment, and of course, make unforgettable memories as you travel. So as we say, we are excited to turn your vacation of a lifetime into a lifetime of vacations. Thank you so much.
Thank you. TravelMate, your trusted travel buddies. TravelMate makes travel planning easy, enjoyable, and truly unforgettable. Whether you're after adventure, relaxation, and cultural experience, we offer tours, ticketing, cruise, visa assistance, hotel, incentive tours, and many more. We have 4 branches. Our main office is the Travel M8 Tagaytay in front of the Lake Hotel. Travel M8 SM Dasmariñas, upper ground floor beside Potato Corner, and TravelMate 1 Ayala near at the Robinson Supermarket, and our upcoming another branch is at SM Araneta branch. We don't just sell tours, we build friendship.